how did they seem?
Gretel, Hansel seemed pretty light, and Gretel seemed pretty shy.
And what is your opinion of Mrs. Poole?
She's a pretty good baker, and I kind of find it strange that she would encourage kids to come into her shop and then act all nervous around them. But then again, I understand because a lot of work goes into baking.
No further questions.
How was business affected when the gingerbread house came into town?
Not much. We both did good business.
Okay. And would you say you and Melanie are friends? Okay. And
Further questions?
okay, Gretel, why did you feel you needed to join your brother in the shop?
Because he's my brother, and I'm there for him.
Okay. When Malvina asked you what you were doing, how did you respond?
She didn't ask.
Okay. Okay, so in the midst of all this, how would a gingerbread house go from looking like this to looking like the one we had yesterday?
Well, with the cookies, I just unintentionally touched it.
Okay. Okay. So you said you unintentionally touched it. So so that means that pieces were broken off because of you. And that means that they were taken because of you, which is stealing. Right?
Well, she tried to entice us with it.
Okay, but
Because you were admiring it, to answer with words.
Yes, I was in that.
Okay. Yeah,
She
what
was
ensued?
When she was coming towards Gretel.
Yes.
Okay, well, in defense of my sister, I got in front of her, and we had a little jostling, and I pushed her, and I didn't know if she hit the oven or not, so I'm sorry if she hit the oven, but yeah.
Did she have her oven mitts on?
Yeah, she put her oven mitts on right before she was going to get Gretel. She opened the oven, and she was running towards Gretel.
Okay. So you didn't see where she landed?
I really didn't see.
we have a video presentation that should remind you. Here it is. Does this ring a bell?
And we have a reason too, if she's going to open the oven and run towards Gretel. I'm not gonna let Gretel's life go into danger if she's gonna try to attack us. It's not like we're just gonna let her go.
Okay, well, can I?
Not until you're done with Hannah.
Okay.
Where did Melvin land?
I think she landed, like, I wasn't really watching, actually. I just pushed her and threw that.
So you did.
Answer the question.
I said, certainly we shouldn't have touched the gingerbread houses because she got pretty mad.
Okay. And what did Gretel do in reaction to that?
Well, she got kind of freaked out, and Mrs. Kruller was kind of freaking us out, so she backed up, and the gingerbread house fell off the table.
And what did Miss Kruller do after she landed on the other door?
don't know, we were running this time probably, I think.
Says in here.
Yes, something that was not yours.
Yes.
Something you had not bought. Okay, and it has been said that it was destructed in the gingerbread house after you left.
Yes.
So that is a destruction of her property?
Are you asking me if I destroyed it intentionally?
Well, it doesn't matter if you did it intentionally. If you destroyed them, then you destroyed them. So would you say on display means do not touch? If they're on display, you look at them. You don't touch them.
What about the train store? You can play with the trains. It's on display.
This is not a train store. Now here's a different scenario. Let's say you go to a cake shop. Would you feel it's okay to dip your finger in the cake and lick it?
I didn't lick the gingerbread house.
But would you feel it's okay to at a cake store?
No.
Then why would you touch a gingerbread house that's supposed to be on display for you to look at?
It's not, it doesn't have exactly, yes.
Did you, do you think the incident ensued because...
Wouldn't that be considered?
Don't look.
Yeah, that's right. And wouldn't that be considered stealing because you broke it and you didn't buy it? You broke it in self-defense.
Self-defense. If you're going to
But
protect
it's-
someone and something breaks, it's for a greater cause than something breaking.
But you didn't buy them. You broke them, but you didn't pay for your wrong.
I did not mean to break. Actually, I did not break anything until we were having a fight.
Yes.
If I was to break it, I would not break it unless I really didn't want a job. I was trying to get a job from her, and if I was to break something, I probably
Okay.
wouldn't get that job.
You want to ask for a job. The perfect time to ask for a job was when she asked you if you wanted a job.
That was not my opinion. I felt that I wanted to look at gingerbread houses. It's my opinion, whatever I want to do.
Okay, so back to the end. You destroyed them and you didn't pay for them, which is stealing.
Self-defense. That's all I have to
Self-defense
say.
has nothing to do with this.
Self-defense has something to do with it. If you were to break something, like crash a car into a building, and it was because you were trying to run away from aliens, it's gonna, you're gonna break something, and yeah.
She had a reason.
And I had a reason too.
Self-defense has nothing to do with this. You
If
could've
she's trying to
left the
defend
shop-
herself, it's gonna end up in both of us aggravating
You could've left the
battery
shop.
something.
You're going to